He has been a valuable athlete to us as a country. We have come to condole with the family and of course, above all, our brothers and sisters from Kenya. We have a law in Uganda now which recognizes the most outstanding athletes. And that, I want to say, I am taking it up, reward and recognition, that we want to say that Benjamin Kiplagat will be among the first beneficiaries in the implementation of our law once we conclude on the statutory instrument and the regulations.
We should invest more in providing security and just making sure that the spaces where they train, the spaces where they prepare to represent our countries are safe and secure. But overall, we have to continue fighting crime. Nobody, absolutely nobody, has the right to take away the life of another person.
Tumeshukuru kwa msaada ambao wametupa kama familia, na jambo tu ambalo tunalilia kama familia ni justice. Ndugu wetu waliweza kuuliwa kwa njia ambayo isiyofaa, na jambo ambalo tungeomba serikali ni kwamba waweze kufuatilia kesi hii kwa uzito sana, ili wale ambao walikamatwa kwa kuhusika na kifo cha huyu ndugu wetu waweze kuchukuliwa hatua kali.
Na